I wake up early in the morning. The room is quiet. I sit on my bed and take a deep breath. I stand up and open the window. The air feels fresh. I look outside for a moment. I go to the kitchen. I make a cup of tea. I do not rush. I sit at the table and drink my tea slowly. I think about my day. I have work to do, but I feel calm. After a few minutes, I finish my tea. I wash the cup and turn off the light. It is a quiet morning. I feel ready to start my day. I wake up early in the morning. I wake up early in the morning. I look outside for a moment. I look outside for a moment. I wash the cup and turn off the light. I wash the cup and turn off the light. I feel ready to start my day. I feel ready to start my day. After a few minutes, I finish my tea. After a few minutes, I finish my tea. I think about my day. I think about my day. The sun rises slowly. The street is quiet.